The first part of this series covered fishing locations, gear selection, and bait. Today, in the final part of the series, we'll dive a bit deeper to cover techniques and best practices to help your bank fishing outing be a success. The best times to bank fish are in the morning and evening hours when the water surface is cooler. During the heat of the day, fish seek deeper, cooler waters where there is more oxygen. Once you arrive, be careful and quiet when approaching the shoreline. Sudden movements, noises, and shadows can spook fish. Developing accuracy when casting from a bank takes practice, and choosing a site with limited casting restrictions will help develop your confidence. Cast parallel to the shoreline and reel in slowly. If slow retrieval isn't working, mix it up. Try speeding up or allow for a pause mid-retrieval, which can entice a fish to strike. One technique that can be a game changer is to cast past a structure like a log or rock and reel in parallel with that structure. Fish that are hanging out below it can see the bait and strike. This can work with anything fish may like to hang out around. Just be cautious not to get your bait snagged. If you're not finding success, don't be afraid to try something different. Find a new location that may be less utilized by other anglers, or try a topwater lure if you see fish biting at the surface. When there is a current to contend with in rivers and streams, fish typically rest in areas that require low energy, such as slack waters, eddies, and deep runs, which are deep sections of water with shallower, faster currents on either side of them. These locations allow fish to relax near current and lazily watch food or your bait drift nearby. Part of being a successful angler includes being an ethical angler. Before your fishing trip, check out the Indiana Fishing Regulations Guidebook to become familiar with the rules of your chosen destination, and visit our Best Practices for Fishing webpage for tips on angler ethics. If you plan to catch and release, consider using artificial lures, as fish are less likely to swallow them, giving released fish a higher chance of survival. To reduce stress on the fish during retrieval, choose the correct size equipment for the fish you're targeting. When you see other anglers, give them plenty of space so there are no accidents while casting. And please remember to leave no trace. Dispose of any drink containers or snack wrappers, and remember to clean up your broken fishing line. Bank fishing can be a fun, accessible way to immerse yourself in the health benefits of nature, whether venturing solo or enjoying time with friends or family. For more resources, visit on.in.gov/fishing for the Indiana DNR Fishing Regulations Guidebook. See you out on the water.